Hello folks, Mike here, and with another video from Jackrabbits Airsoft. And today, what we will be reviewing today is none other than the classic G&G RK47 AK blowback electric AEG rifle. Standard, and it's a great gun to use. I'm a big fan of AKs, and this is honestly one of my top favorite AKs to run. Despite the fact that you don't got the mounting rails for sight or any attachments, it's still a great gun, easy to use. It is a great gun, easy to use. Comes with a high capacity magazine, standard banana clip, and you do have the blowback, metal barrel, metal body, fake, not cheap, pretty good plastic, fake wood. It's not foregrip. You have sling mounts on the side of the barrel and on the edge of the body. This gun shoots pretty hot. Shoots about to 390 to 400 feet per second FPS. The only thing I never got was G&G. They like to cut that little notch out of the flash suppressor. But, all the same, it doesn't matter to me. This gun is a great gun to use. It's very lightweight. It's got awesome adjustable front sights. Now for your standard AK needs. This is absolutely awesome. This is going to be my absolute favorite AK to run. I love this. Check this out. The only thing I don't like about this is once I take this off, it's hard to get back on. But we'll take metal dust cover off, and we reveal all the metal, all the internals. Yes, as you can see, all those internals are all metal. It's great gun. Great gun. It's got a good magazine feeding mechanism in there, which is just awesome. I love this gun. It's not much, but it's a good CQB gun if you want it to be. Unlike the sniper rifle which I showed you, this is a good CQB gun, and it's also a great outdoor gun on field. Now, as I was saying, with the dust cover, getting this back on here, it is a bit of a pain in the butt. I like to use the aid of a screwdriver. Fortunately, to press that like that. Dust cover's back on. Everything's nice, solid. Solid on this gun, real nice. The selector switch, your typical fully semi. Thing I like about the selector switch is that got your typical fully semi, and it locks right back into place to where you're not gonna lose that much out of this gun. It's not gonna wobble nowhere. It is kind of free wobbling. That's what I'm gonna get to next. Some of the parts on this gun, like the top near the gas tube, that's wobbly a little bit. The bottom, not so much, but kinda likes to slide up and down just a hair. And as you can see, the gas tube's kind of wobbly. But now, set this down for a minute. Here's your standard magazine that comes with this gun. I believe this is metal and plastic put together. It's got a nice thin metal layering. High cap. I believe it's 600 round capacity. Pour your BBs in there. Pour them in there. Close that. It's got the little wind on the bottom that you wind up until you see the BBs come there. Once you see the BBs come in there, grab your gun, wind them up, you're ready to rock. But all in all, this is a great buy. I got this off of Airsoft GI for $200. This is a great buy. The only thing I will warn you about all G&G products that I find with their guns, I don't like that they don't come with a battery and they don't come with a battery charger. Now, I would show you the battery, but I don't feel like digging out my screwdriver because you got to take off this plate, back plate, take these two screws out, slide that forward, take off another little plastic layer, which uncovers and reveals the wiring. It's all in the stock. Simply plug your battery in, put it in, put everything back together, and you're ready to rock and roll. Once again, this gun, however, it has its down flaws like all guns do. But all in all, this is an absolute great buy. I strongly recommend if you are an airsofter and you like AKs, this is a gun for you. Metal dummy cleaning rod slides out. Metal barrel, metal sights. Everything's metal. It's got metal interns, hard plastic on the outside. This gun is absolutely wonderful. I cannot tell you how much I've played with this gun and the success that I have had with it. Just running it out in the field, it's an awesome AEG. I strongly recommend it if you're gonna get an AK and you're an AK guy. I strongly recommend this gun. It's got a nice mag, quick, nice and smooth mag release and lock. It's real nice blowback system, nice and smooth. All in all, this is a great AK AEG. It's the G&G Armament RKM47. Now the RK47, sorry, AK style AEG. Great buy for only $200 on G&G or Airsoft GI. I strongly recommend you buy this gun. Strongly recommend this gun. Runs smooth. Shoots smooth. It has all smooth selector switch that locks right into place. It's not going nowhere. This gun is an absolute great buy. And I strongly suggest, if you like AKs, you buy this gun. I'm Mike from Jackrabbits Airsoft. Keep playing, be safe with these. I hope you enjoy much long-term airsofting. Maybe sometime we'll see each other on the field. So long.